Khalifa.
My Lady Chief Justice and the court, may I plead with the court once again that what we are listening to is not a reply. It is a rehash of the case afresh, and it is leaving us in a very vulnerable position because new issues are being raised, and we have had, or may not have, unless you assure us, my lady, that we will have an opportunity to reply.
I think we have already cautioned counsel to reply on points of law, and you can see all of us are busy. We know what are points of law in our reply, and we know what we ignore.
Madam Chief Justice, only 2 seconds. You said that earlier. We all thought we had. Despite that, Mr. Mashari has taken 30 minutes to argue factual issues, going to affidavits, nothing on a point of law that he responded to. In my submission, therefore, the court will be perfectly entitled to disregard every word he uttered.
Yes, we know how to separate the chaff from the wheat, from the submissions. Yes.
My Lady, before I start my submission, so that my time doesn't run, I find myself in the position, I'm Willie Sotieno for the fourth petitioner, in the unfortunate position that I'm one of the most mistreated petitioners in these proceedings by the first and second respondents. They served me late, as I indicated already during the pre-conference, and we lost the opportunity to respond. And this court did indicate that when we'll be doing our response, we can comment on some of those issues. We never filed a rejoinder to them because we were the ones who were served late outside the timelines provided by the court. So, but I don't intend to go deep into facts, but I may make one sentence references just to meet what had been allowed before, if that is in order. Number one, my lords and my ladies, we must assert that the KPMG report, the only expert report that has been done on the biometric voter register, that evidence has not been challenged by any other expert evidence. And that evidence which we annexed and we referred to, we can now safely conclude that the 481